Welcome, here I've got Realme X50 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the pro. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of these is the pro mode, called also as an expert mode here. So when we pick this we can start using this, and the pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and let's go from the right here. The first one button here is the exposure compensation. So here by using this slider we can control the light of our picture and we can make it more bright or dark as we need. This is how it works. And let's go to the next one button. This is the focusing. As you can see here we have AF letters from autofocus, so we can change it to the manual focus to MF by using this slider. And as you can see now these letters has changed and we can focusing like that. We can also go back to the autofocus by using this button here with A letter, and as you can see now it changes again to the AF, so this is really easy. And let's go to the next one button. Here we have the white balance and we can control the camera's temperature by using this slider in Kelvin degrees. So we can make it more cold by going to the left and more warm by going to the right. This is how it works here. We can also go back to the auto white balance by tapping simply on this A letter button here. And let's go to the next one button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change the time of taking picture, and as you can see by using this we can manage it. We can pick from 1 and 8,000 of seconds, which is really short. This is better to the objects that are in move, and by going to the right we can go to 32 seconds, so this is really long, and this is better to objects that are stable. And this is how it works. We can also go back to auto shutter speed by just simply tapping again on this button here with A letter. And let's go to the last one button. This is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less or more sensitive from 100 to 3 and 2,000 of it. So this is really pretty wide spectrum and this is really cool and pro here. We can also go back to auto ISO by just simply tapping on this button again. And now let's move to this one button here. By tapping on this we can change the lenses of this camera, and by tapping on this we can pick the ultra wide lens in the pro mode, and by tapping on this we can pick the wide angle lens. So this is how it changes. And we have also here one extra option, the RAW. So here we can turn on the RAW format and also turn it off by just one tap. This is how it works, and this is really cool because the RAW is the format that is used by professional photographers to taking better pictures with more details and post-producing them in the graphic programs. So this is really cool, and that's all. Now let me take a picture. And when we go here to the left corner at the bottom and tap on this button, we get quick access to the gallery. So this is the picture, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.